Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how to log into Paylocity account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open in the web browser first, and once you do that, in the URL box type in www.paylocity.com and press the enter on your keyboard. So after you do that, from the official website, click on the login button at the upper right and you'll be taken to your login page. Enter your company ID in the first text field. Move on to the next text field and type in your username. Into the password text field, type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password in order to log into your account without any kind of a problem. If you want to double check your password before moving on, you can click on this shell link at the right corner and reveal your password to make sure it is typed in correct. If you want the site to remember your username, then click on Remember My Username box, and after you're done, click on the login button, and soon you'll be able to log into your account with just a click. That is how you can log into Paylocity account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.